Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. So to enable the split screen feature, let me open two different applications at once. And now, in order to place both of them at the same screen, on the same screen, you have to grab the top bar of one of the windows and drag it to the top of the display, then select one of the available positioning for your window. As you can see, you can place up to 4 different windows at once on your device's display. So just select the position for the first window and then click on the second one to place it into the second position. And now you can use both of these applications at the same time. You can also change the size of each window by moving the bar between them. And that's how you use split screen feature on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.